In the captivating domain where art intersects with home decoration, Hero has consistently been crafting a remarkable narrative of creativity and craftsmanship. Our journey is imbued with vibrant hues of passion, dedication, and innovation. While one might perceive decoration trims as commonplace, an exquisite trim possesses the potential to transcend ordinary boundaries and evolve into mesmerizing artistic treasures. Hero specializes in the design, research, and production of trimming and edging profiles, offering over 200 avant-garde styles that seamlessly complement various ceramic tiles and boards. Additionally, we hold more than 20 patents for product aesthetics and are dedicated to promoting Chinese decorative trims on a global scale. The selection of aluminum rods significantly influences the destiny of each trim piece. Transitioning from an aluminum rod to a finished product involves the collaborative efforts of 100 skilled artisans who meticulously execute nearly 50 intricate production processes over a span of 360 hours before achieving final form. The aluminum rod undergoes heating at 556 degrees Celsius with a barrel furnace before being shaped through pressing, straightening, and cooling in a hydraulic press to create a blank profile. This blank is then subjected to sustained heating at 190 degrees Celsius for 240 minutes to enhance its hardness and durability. Polishing and sandblasting serve as rigorous tests of craftsmanship. Skill levels become immediately evident along the production line, as aided waxing and polishing until it meets established quality standards. Fixing showcases the most spectacular scene of the trimming line finishing process. The workers in pairs, with bold moves that contain delicate details. 3 acids, namely a proper proportion of sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and phosphoric acid, are poured into the oxidation pool. After the treatment by the 3 acids, the scratches and oil stains on the product's surface disappear instantly. Electroplating can make the aluminum alloy surface regenerate a new protective film. The new protective film is thinner, but the hardness of aluminum is 10 times that of the original powder coating, is the magic touch that adds color to aluminum profiles. Our workers first carefully drill holes into the aluminum profiles using air guns. One by one, after drilling, the aluminum profiles are orderly hung up. What awaits next is our vertical coating machine. Cleaning, coating. Quality inspection is of paramount importance at Hero. Mr. Xi, who has been a quality inspector at the factory for 10 years, she tells whether a product is qualified or not just by looking at it. Products that do not meet the standards will never escape her sharp eyes. Lamination and lamination film provide double protection for the double-sided. With this double protection, the moving and transportation process can be free of worries. Cutting is a key step before storage. In order to ensure that the product is perfect, all the nicks at both ends need to be removed. The entire process cannot be delayed and must be done in one breath. A beautifully trimmed line is finally completed after countless trials and errors. Finally, it is stored and shipped, reaching every customer's hands. Spirit and craftsmanship come from unremitting pursuit of quality and inheritance and adherence to skills. In the 10 years of Hero's development, it has always remained true to its original intention, providing top-notch products and services with professional technology and considerate service, and has won the recognition and praise of customers at home and abroad with its quality and reputation. In the future, Hero will continue to journey with you, using the craftsman spirit of guarding a trimming line to make the craftsmanship eternally passed down.